This is a knife sharpening system that you can buy on Amazon right now, and it's about 80 bucks. I wouldn't buy it because it's simply just an MDF that you put on a buffer. This is my cheap Gerber knife that I bought from Walmart, and I've had it for several years. You can tell because the rubber handle is gone. Anyway, this thing is dull and won't even cut paper. The first thing you're going to need to do is determine what size wheel will fit on your buffer. Mark the center of your board and with a compass, lay it out. I used my scroll saw to roughly cut out the wheel. You could use a jigsaw, a table saw, or any other kind of method that you feel is appropriate. I used my lathe to true up the wheel. However, you can use your drill press to drill for the arbor size and then mount it onto your buffer and then true it up that way. I chose to use gray buffing compound. Use it to charge your wheel. Do not have the sharp edge of the blade going against the rotation of the buffer wheel. With a little bit of practice, I can make this knife become even sharper than what it is just for this video. Not too shabby.